What's up everyone? Welcome to the Auto 101. Welcome to another video. And today we're not reviewing a car, but we're installing an air mattress, custom air mattress that Tesla sells for the Model Y. And we're gonna put it into this Model Y right here. So stay tuned, let's get into the video. First thing you gotta do, obviously, is open the rear hatch. Remove the tonneau cover on the top. What's nice about the Model Y is that there's no spare tire. So there's actually a great spot underneath in this little storage compartment to store the air mattress. Take the air mattress out of this little carrying bag that comes with the air mattress from Tesla. In most scenarios, depending on what your seating position is, it's probably better to put the front seats up a little bit so when these seats fold down, there's enough room for the air mattress to go all the way through. This is the pump that comes with the air mattress. Seats gotta go down in order to install the air mattress. Good thing they're powered. The good thing about this pump and the Model Y is that this goes to a 12-volt outlet, and there's one right here in the trunk, which is easy to connect. It's actually a pretty sizable air mattress, given that it's meant to fit in the back of a car. The nice thing about this Tesla branded air mattress that they sell is that it fits perfectly to the interior of the Model Y. So there's these little storage areas in the back, in the trunk, and the air mattress kind of is shaped to accommodate the wheel well and the storage area and really maximize all the usable space in the Model Y. But in order to get this inflated, this little cap has to be unscrewed, which is a fairly easy job. And then put the pump in. Also relatively easy. It's a simple screw in. And turn it on. Slight issue that we didn't know. The airbed comes with this little plug or stopper, and it's set by default to deflate mode. It needs to be flipped in order for the air mattress to inflate. So we wasted a few minutes wasting time on that, but now we'll put the pump back in and it should inflate, and we'll start the timer. It's about 26 on the watch, so let's see how long it ends up taking. Now we're just a little bit past 27. It took about maybe 10 seconds at this time, so less than a minute in order for this airbed to inflate. And you can see it's fully inflated using all the available room inside the Model Y. And it's actually a pretty decent thickness on the air mattress as well, so it should be comfortable. Let's test it out. And the nice thing about the Tesla air mattress made for the Model Y is that since it's such a perfect fit, if you close the trunk, it should close with the air mattress fully inside the car. And you'll remember initially we moved these seats forward, you can see how much extra space is here. So you could still move these seats back and have usable seats to drive the car. Let's say you're going to a campsite or a specific scenic viewpoint and you want this air mattress in the back, you can still drive all the way there with this air mattress set up in the back, some room for pillows. Looks pretty comfy. All right, so let's try getting inside the Model Y air mattress. Shoes off, gotta keep it clean. I'm 5'9", I should fit no problem. It's really comfortable and it's on a bit of an incline, so it's comfy. Thumbs up. Got a little campfire going too. Watch the F1 race. Even though the mattress is designed to fit the Model Y perfectly, Tesla has still left a little bit of room here so you could use these storage compartments on each side to store anything. Let's deflate this. This has to be flipped back to the deflate mode, and then the pump here has to go to the side that deflates. So one of these is used for inflation and the other one is used for deflation. Screw it in with the deflate side, push the button, and it should deflate in about a minute or so. Now that it's deflated, the only thing left is to fold this back up, put the straps on to keep it tight, put it in the bag, and store it back under the floorboard. And there you go, that's how you have it. That is the Tesla Model Y, official Tesla air mattress, a really cool and convenient way to camp in the Model Y. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments, and I'll catch you next time.